Hi everyone, we are the team Loopify. We are presenting our solution. Power Grid employees struggle with fragmented ticketing systems like GLPI, Solman, and email, leading to delays and low satisfaction. Our solution is an AI-driven unified platform that autonomously classifies, routes, and resolves IT issues, turning reactive support into the predictive intelligence. Let's go on to our dashboard and see how it looks and how it works. Let's go on to the app. Now you come onto the home page. When you click onto the Get Started button, you get prompted to the sign page. On the sign page, there is a role-based login. You can log in as a user and log in as a manager. Now, when you log in as a manager or authority, you get onto this dashboard. In this dashboard, you can see the total tickets have been solved and all of the statics related to the tickets like assigned tickets, unassigned tickets, all of this. Now, when you sign in as a user, you get onto this dashboard. Here you can see the number of tickets you have placed. You can also create a new ticket. You have to set the type and all of these options. And for the authority, we have here again option of ticket details. Like you can see the details of the ticket that have been placed. Now you can also see the dashboard, the analytics dashboard. Like you can see the statics about the tickets for the better decision making, and you can also export this all details as a report as well. Now you can see the customer details and all the customers data on through this as well.